Hi Sharice, this is a video to illustrate how you do that. So in here, you go onto their website. That's my there. Right, and then you change from Italian to English, so it changes from Italian to English. Go to English, then you come out. So they make different products, so you go to products. Let's say just start with this category, resistivity and IP. Click on that. Say read more. Now in here, because I do not have photos, they don't supply photos to me, I went in here. Let's say if you click on that, the image comes out, and then you can save these images. Just look at that, right click, save image. So you could save these images in a folder. So the folder used is, you go to eBay sales, go back one step. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to eBay sales, and then I click my geophysical instrument. And then I created a folder, my photos, and in there I put the categories like my ERT products, and that's where I've saved these here. So basically, going back to the page, you go to their page and you save these photos from the internet because it's not supplied me. So if you move to the next one, you can save the image back in that folder, all right, in that category of the folder. So you can save these anyways. So after that, I'll give you the ins of WordPress. So this is the back end of the GeoTools website, and the procedure would be as follows. So you've got to be really careful here, because if you do things wrong, things can affect the way things are. So I'll give you the logins. So what do? You go to this called the dashboard. And under the dashboard there are different things in here. So what you have to do first, you come to media, because you have to preload the images or material you're going to use, especially the images. You don't have to upload the text. So you go to media, you say add new file, right? So if you click on here, before I go there, I'll go media once again. So if I come out, click on the dashboard. If you always want to go home, you go media. If I click on the media here, you will see that will show me all the images in the back end of this website. This here. Yeah. So that's all the things that come up. There's so many, 500 images. If I want to see more, that's where everything is. So you've got to be careful when you're dealing with this. So you go to media here. So if I want refresh, sort of go to dashboard, then come to media, add new media, and then I'll use that select file to upload. That is to direct it to where you've got the sourced images. So I can click all these here and I say open, and that should add to the media because I've already done that. So you can see eBay sales, my geophysical instruments, that category, my photos, my ERT products. So there'll be my seismics, my other things. So that's that category. I'm not going there. So I'll come up here, I'll close that. Then, so in here, you've already added the photos you want, and you already have the website of the product you want to add. For example, that. Now in here they've got different categories of machines. This is that one. I've already added that. You will see it appears on there. Now the next one is this, right? So I will add this one. So I'll say discover. I'm in the my website, so that's the product I want to add, right? So that's the product I want to add. So it has all that, and then the description under here. So I can pre-save these images, these here. So just save those into that product name. As you know, click on that, right click, save image, create a folder for that product, right? And you go through all of them, right? So now I'll have this open here. That's the product I want to add into the GeoTools website. So go back to GeoTools in the dashboard here. This is how you add the product. So just to refresh you, you click on that to add media, the photos of that product, all of them into the media folder. That. So we finished that. So this is how you add the product. You come up here in the dashboard, because you want to do it in a format of already an existing product. So you come here, scroll through and go to products. Now when you click on products, if I click on products here, I've got a menu, all products, add new, categories, whatever. So I don't go to add new, because then you'll have to rebuild the template properly. So you go to all products, pick one product, so that you use its template, but don't overwrite it. You duplicate the product. So I'll come up here, products, go to all products, click on that, and that shows me all the products listed on the back end of this of the website, all the things you see on the front end and their text and all that. So because I'm using Restivity, so in this case, because I've already created a my let me see if it populated, because I want to use it. So if I don't know if else it gives me the option to search. Let me see, about products, select category, search product here. So if I say my, let me see if it brings me to that. So I've already got one of the products I've added from my and the description. So I will go here and click on it. Remember, there is other products. Now, instead of going, I won't say clear or edit. Don't go edit, say duplicate. Duplicate. Don't go edit, just say duplicate product. And that creates a duplicate for that. Now, I'm just going to edit and redirect this. So what I'll do is, all right, I'll come up to the my page here, and this is the thing, ET300 multi-channel GeoRestivity 24 channels. All right, so that's the product I want to put in. So ET300. So I'll copy that. All right, copy, go to that, to the part I copied. So you can see the word copy on it, but that's a duplicate. So ET, if I paste, paste here, multi-channel resistivity, geo resistivity 24 channels, so ET300. My ET300 electrical resistivity ERT system, whatever it is. So that's that. So on here on the permalink, this link links it to the image you've put. All right, so I have to go in here. So I'll just give you an example here and you'll correct it. So I come here to the permalink and say edit, and instead I click in here and make sure I delete all that, delete it back and forth, that there is nothing here. All right, now one step I didn't, should have done that before. Before I come to that page, I've got to go to media, the media library. So before I leave this page there, I won't say publish, but I'll say save. So come to the bottom here, there should be an option to save. Say save draft here, there is an option to save. So I have to go back to the media page, media library there, click on that, and in there, for example, I'm only using an example, if I'm to use this image, right? So I'll click on it. Now when I click on it, there is a link here, URL link that leads to that image, right? So I'll come up here and say copy to clipboard. So that is copied, that link is copied to that image. Now I'll go back to, so I'll come out of the media page and go back to products. All products, right? And then, so I had that my, and then I had the my, all right? So I'll see which one I set out. So last modified, and there, yeah, that's the one. So I'll click in here, right, and say edit. In this case, I'm editing. That's the duplicate I created. But I'm meant to do that after I've got the link on that. So I've done that before. So I go into edit here. I remove that. I totally remove that, and I paste this permalink I brought. Paste there and say okay. Now down here to edit this material here, I'll go on to, so I can in here this, I can delete these here. I can click there, that gets me to that, and I remove that, and I bring in whatever photo from, so I say add media here, and I can pick any photo out of here, right? The photo related to that thing in the folder. You would have got it from the folder and upload it to the media. That's where you source them from, right? So let's say that is done, and then to add the text is, you don't go on to text here, so you go on to text there, and under text you will highlight all this, for example, all this, and take it out. All right, so I'll got a blank page. I go to the My page, and in the My page here, I'll go down to the text description here and copy all this the way it is. Just copy everything. All right? Or you can just copy the text part to start with. All I want, so I'll just copy the text part. So leave alone the image gallery. So I copy, and then I go back to the link I'm trying to build and paste it here. Now, if any of these things have a link, I can insert a link with any of these tools up here, as you can see. But let's first keep it simple like that, and then I will style this up here. Let's say you go styling, content. Click on that. All right. If I've done that, I'll just say save to start with here. So all that text is here. Right. Now to add a photo to that, I'll just click there like that. Now when I click here like that, notice that the bar at the top has changed. So it allows me to bold things, to I can't increase the size, but to bullet things, there's all those tools there for you if you want to add links or copy whatever. So those are those things. If I wanted to add a photo there, I can come up here and I say add media. So I've created a space up there, add media, and let's say click that thing, right? And then let's say a couple, so, because my hand is holding the camera, and now you can hold down the hold down key and you copy a couple, and then you insert photo here, right? So the photo will be there and all that, and then you say save. Now that will take you back so you've added a product here, but you need to do some edits and stuff like that. So if you click in here, it should give you room to edit, bolden things, bullet up things, add other things you want to add. So save, and then so I can come down here to the product gallery here, and I can remove all these here and then add gallery images from media, from the media folder, all right? And then, so for now, let's say we can do it that way. And then you add the product image, which should be the main featured product image. You just click on that. You can remove that product image. You can add another one. And then after doing all that, you have to, don't click publish. So let's say you click publish there. All right. And after doing that, you go to, if you're happy with everything, you can preview the changes here of how it will appear on in the page, right? So you can increase the size of that photo if you wanted, but that's not yet finished. So you got to go back to there to update. That will be something added. If I don't update it, it will just not add. Right? That's it. And then you move on to the next product.